Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've just got back home, well, to Manchester. I've been home for a few days, and while I was away we had a very exciting delivery that Connor wanted to open, didn't you?
I did, yes.
But I was like, no, you have to wait for me. So as you know, we've just moved into our new apartment and the walls are looking very bare. I am working with Desenio on this video. They have kindly gifted me some prints, so I'm so excited to show you and hopefully get them up. So how's your DIY skills going to be?
Not the best, but I'm pretty sure I can handle a couple of pictures.
But I'm going to show you what we've got. It took ages for me to decide because there's so many prints on there, all absolutely amazing. So many different styles, so many different colours, so many different vibes. How long did it take us to pick?
Ages, to be fair. I mean, like, yeah, it's just like, what theme do you want? Do you want like colour? Do you want black? Do you want like, gold?
Yeah, so I'm just going to show you. I've been dying to open it. I know Connor has.
Oh yes.
Of course, whenever I work with a brand, I always like to get you a discount code, so you can use my code BETHDUNLAVEY to get 10% off. I will include all the details in the description box.
Are you excited?
I am. So, here we go. Oh my god, I love that. So we also got some frames, and as you can probably see, well, I don't know if you can see yet because I haven't given you a full-on apartment tour, but the vibe is like gold, black and white, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So this is lovely jubbly. This is a really good size actually, isn't it?
It's a big one, yeah.
All of the products that I have picked, they will be accessible via the link in my description box, so if you want a copy, you can. Oh, look at the cute baby. This is why I didn't want you to open it, Connor, because you've got to be dead careful.
Oh wow.
Oh, I love that.
That's nice.
That's so nice, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So, first off, we've got an amazing gold eucalyptus. How beautiful is that, please?
That's lovely.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do like that. Good choice.
And that is going to go on that wall.
Over there?
And I felt like it was going to go really nicely with this vibe.
You got some taste.
I think I got a black frame for this.
Mm-hmm.
Because I wanted it to kind of tie in. But you could put it in a gold one as well. What's your thoughts?
I like that one.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, that's nice.
Right. The next print I got is this amazing scene in Turkey. I'm absolutely desperate to go here. What's it called, Connor?
I don't know.
I feel like it's called carpaccio, but I think that's like a beef starter.
That's, yeah, anyone in the comments, let us know if you know where that is.
It could be like cappuccino or something, but it's where all of those hot air balloons are, and I just love that. I got this. I didn't get a frame for this because I want to stand this. I want a frame where I can stand it in one of the bedrooms. I just haven't decided which one yet, but oh, I just love that. It's lush. I love it. And then anybody who knows me knows I love an evil eye to ward off any negativity. And I got this with this, and I'm thinking about putting this in our bedroom when it eventually gets done. So you might have to hang fire for this one to see it displayed. But I just feel like this looks so so gorgeous. So next,
that's lovely.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you?
Uh-huh.
So next we've got these really beautiful blue, don't really know how to describe them, but they're like...
water paint sort of thing, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
And I just thought, I know it's all black and gold, but I just felt like these would look so great on the wall over there. Is that going to look nice?
Yeah.
Do you think?
Yeah, definitely.
Do you love it?
I do.
And I felt like it went with the this little picture that I bought for Connor for our anniversary. And although I know it's not black, I felt like it would go with the kind of grey navy sofa. And I just love the gold in it as well. So we've got that. And these will go inside of the gold frames. The last print I got was this one, which I think is so beautiful. And I just had to get it. And I thought, if the eucalyptus doesn't work in the black frame, then this would. in place of the eucalyptus, so I felt like we could have two interchangeable options. What you can do is you can put two prints in a frame, and so one behind the other, and then when you get fed up with looking at one print, you can just bring the other print forward, and then you can just keep swapping it, and then you've always got a new picture to look at. So yeah, I absolutely love what we've got. Are you happy with the...
Very happy, and I want to put them up straight away.
Do you?
Yep.
So because we live in a rented apartment, we're going to have to go and find some tape that's going to like stick to the wall without being like damaging, and also we're going to have to rely on Connor's DIY skills to make sure they're nice and level and not wonky, but we will keep you posted. So here they are in their frames. They're absolutely amazing. How beautiful. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited to put these up. I just think they look so beautiful.
It's definitely going to add to the place.
Oh my god, it's going to make it so much more homely, and it's just going to add so much character, like here and here. And to be honest, I feel like this is not going to be the first order from Desenio. I love them so much. We will keep you posted. Now we have some more house chores to do, and we're actually going to dismantle our bed, aren't we? So when we moved into the apartment, I don't know whether I've mentioned, but when we moved into the apartment, it was fully furnished, which is great because it means that we don't have to buy too much furniture. But the thing is Connor is a giant, and in a double bed, it's not going to be the comfiest. So we've got a king size bed on order. It's getting made. So in order for us to put it in, we need to dismantle the bed that's in there, which is a brand new double bed. There's nothing the matter with it, but we need to dismantle that, store it, ready for our new bed. And I'm half tempted to try and put the mattress underneath the spare bedroom's bed, if that's going to work. I know Finn and Paige said that they've done something similar. Did they actually put the mattress on the bed or under the bed? On, so it's really high.
Yeah.
We could do that.
Yeah,
we could
go
try.
either option, we go under or over.
We'll try it under and we'll try it over. But this vlog is just going to be trying to get the apartment a little bit more sorted, and we'll just keep you posted. It is a few days later, and we have been a bit naughty, been out and about, not being naughty, but we just haven't really been doing any home things. So today I've just got back from the gym, and we need to dismantle the bed and decide where we're going to put it. So we'll have, like I mentioned, we're going to see if we can store it in here. If not, we're going to have to find a solution. But our main bed comes in about a month. I'm doing the whole wishful thinking thing, and I'm hoping that it's going to come a bit sooner because I'm so ready to have a nice king size bed and be in my main bedroom. So we're going to do that today, and we're going to go out and we're going to get some tape to get the pictures on the wall, and just do a few little bits and pieces. So I just thought we'd show you what we're doing today. I've never dismantled a bed before, but I have put a bed up with me mum, so I think it should be pretty straightforward. This is the situation that we're dealing with. Connor! Right, so first of all, I think we're gonna get this mattress out of here, and we're gonna try and put it... Hey, I thought we were meant to be getting our windows cleaned. I just want you to have a long, hard look at this, actually, the before. And hopefully the after will be coming soon. So that didn't go to plan. Did I ignore that? It's because we don't have any curtains up. Too high on there. Doesn't fit under the bed because it's got poles under the bed, so we're gonna look at taking the poles off and see if the bed's still okay. Oh my god. So we're gonna head to Wix or B&Q. We're gonna get the sticky tape for the walls, for the pictures, and we're gonna get an Allen key because we need to get an Allen key to let down the bed. Oh my god. So we've just been to B&Q, we realised we didn't have an Allen key, so we've just bought some of them. And we've also bought some of these for the pictures to go on the wall. So what we're going to do is we're going to start dismantling this bed, but we're going to see if we can fit the mattress underneath here without these 3 little support legs on. And if it does, then it means we can take the support legs off the spare bedroom to whack it under there. Oh.
Don't know where to get these off.
No, you have to just do it. Do you want me to try?
No. Hands are like all slimy.
Slimy, huh?
Yeah. It's fine.
Connor's getting frustrated, aren't you?
Sweat.
Do you want to open the window? So it's definitely not as easy as we thought it would be. Can't get these middle brackets off, so we're just gonna have to disassemble the bed completely, and we were hoping to take the middle brackets off the spare bed and put the mattress underneath, but I don't think we're going to be able to do that. So oh my god, okay, so that is where we're at. Connor's had to go downstairs. He has a podcast, so he's gone to do that, and I need to get in the shower and get washed because I have a Zoom meeting soon. So we've managed to disassemble it. We don't know where we're going to put it. The mattress was going to go under the spare bed, but we can't take the little bolt out, like the, what do you call it? We can't take the bolt out of the middle where there's like little kind of extra legs to keep it supported. So plan B it is, which we haven't got a plan B yet. I also just wanted to show you this, which is the gallery wall tool on the Desenio website. This was so helpful for myself and Connor when we were looking at the prints that we wanted. The 2 blue ones we knew we wanted together, and it made it really easy for us to see, as there were several of these prints and I tried quite a few. So you can use the gallery wall just to see 2 pictures, or you can use it to see like a whole gallery, but I thought this was so cool. I've not seen this kind of feature on another website that sells art, and I'm definitely going to be using this in the future. You can select how many pictures you want and what sizes. That's just a really cool feature. You can also actually select what kind of room you want, the colour of walls, the colour sofas, the vibe. I think that's just such a nice feature. And then you can select your design and it brings up all of your saved, and you can actually just search all products as well. So last viewed, last selected, and my favourites. I just think that's such a handy little tool. So Connor went back and changed it from the strips to the hooks because the back of the frames don't have like a flat surface, so we needed a little hook. So that's it up there, and hopefully it's gonna be able to take this lovely print. Now we're gonna do those ones. Right, so we've got them up. They look stunning apart from one's a bit lower than the other, so we're gonna have to restart that.
People.
Cute. So it's the next day and we had to wait because B&Q was shut last night when we had a little bit of a DIY disaster. So basically we didn't use the spirit level and they were just wonky. There were different levels. So we had to wait, we had to kind of get some new hooks and do it properly this time. So we're hoping that when we put them up they're going to be level, and I just need to show you this little DIY disaster that Connor had.
Not good.
He wasn't happy at all. These little sticky things that we've got, they're meant to be really great for your wall and not pull the wall off. Well, this was Connor's and this was mine. As you can see, mine was fine when I pulled mine off, but Mr. Heavy-handed managed to pull a bit of paint off, but it's fine because at least there's no holes in the wall. So we've put our new ones up and we're going to hang the pictures now. We're really excited. Moment of truth. Feeling confident?
Yeah. Needs to go a bit more centre, isn't it?
Are it in line?
I think so. They're just tilting a bit, so you just need to balance them a little bit better. But yeah, looks good. Ooh la la!
Oh.
Perfect.
Oh, that's cute. I mean, it's as bang on as we're gonna get it.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
It is. Oh.
So I think that just looks so cute. I'm definitely now going to get a nice navy and gold and cream or white cushion and change that. The thing is when you add nice things like artwork to your home, it gives it like a little personality, but also it means that you have to change. Oh, am I boring you? It means you have to change the little decor around a little bit, but I'm absolutely obsessed with this one. I feel like that looks like its own little area. And then this one as well. I think we've done well there. So don't forget you can shop all of the artwork that I have by using the link in the description box. Desenio have got their big art sale on at the minute, so there's 35% on, and you can also use my code BETHDUNLAVEY for an extra 10% off on top of that, so I think that's absolutely lovely jubbly. Thanks again to Desenio for sending us these amazing prints and for working with me, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and we'll see you again next time.